Hello, welcome to Battle Cats. Yeah, I've been playing this game for a little bit. Bonus item, clear the grease stage to unlock the super rare unit Bean Cats. Login day and collect. Oh, 30 cat food, yay! 27 more unlocks till I get the special freaking cat. Got a cat ticket every day. Oh yeah. So now we can get a cat ticket. Let's open the cat capsule. Let's see what we get. Oh, dang! We got a new cat. Titan cat. Cat sent to cat storage. Let's go to the cat storage. He's just floating around. Use. So it would have cost us 8,000 XP, but it only cost us 0. Let's go upgrade something. Oh yeah, I was waiting to upgrade this regular cat. So there's the cat, there's the tank cat, there's the axe cat, there's a bunch of other stuff. Those are just upgrades. Axe cat, gross cat, cow cat, bird cat, and now I unlocked the Titan cat. So he's got an area attack. Oh yeah, cat guide. I forgot to unlock him in there. Boom, 5 cat food. And you can spend cat food on, say, you can get a new cat, or you can spend it on capsules to hopefully get a cat. So like, see, this sumo cat, he costs 150 cat food, and the samurai cat, he costs 90. And I already unlocked the ninja cat. And at the beginning, you can get God. Oh, and there's also super rare cats, which I've only got one of. There's, I got the nerd cat from a capsule. So, if I hit equip, I can use my Titan cat 1,300. There you go. So now I can use a Titan cat. So let's go. We gotta go to the new one. Okay, Madagascar. The battle begins. As you can see, I've been upgrading, so my money goes up pretty quickly. See, that's our tank cat and a regular cat. They should do well for just holding them off for right now, while I upgrade to get even more money. In fact, I should probably get more of these. More of these tank cats because they do area damage. Or I'm gonna get one weird cat. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those dudes. They're annoying. Okay, weird cat, tank cat, more regular cats, and then a ninja cat. Yes! March, my men. We're going to take over. We should get more tanks. I want to use the Titan cat. Okay, now I have enough for the Titan cat. I'm gonna get some more. Oh crap, it's Harambe. Go kill Harambe. Gotta kill Harambe. That sounds terrible. Crap. Yeah, that's right. Get him, weird cat. Don't you dare kill my weird cat. Because I've got another one coming in. Kill Harambe. Take out Harambe. Guys, we have to take out Harambe. No, they're getting us. Crap. Take out Harambe. Why is he not dying? Die, Harambe. Crap. Crap! Weird cat died. Harambe! Crap. He's taking us out. Oh god! We might actually lose this. Yes! Okay. Okay, cow cat. Yes! Cow cat! Go, 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 go! We're gonna wreck some fools, okay, cow cat? I'm gonna put in a bird cat. Bird cat, go. Kinda slow. Crap! What's up with Harambe? I need to get Weird Cat in here. Because Weird Cat's good against Harambe. Yes! We've taken out Harambe. And then Bird Cat's good against the small enemies. And Cow Cat's just good. Let me get some tank cats up in here. Some weird cats. Holy crap. Cow Cat's good. Hey, he's doing what he's supposed to be doing. Holy crap. Freaking Cow Cat. You are like the OG right now. Yep. That was a little bit more tougher than there's a new cat. Ooh. Let's see what the new cat is. Ooh, special cat. Zombie cat. Studies at a certain film academy. Majors in special effects and makeup. Strong against red enemies. I don't have enough cat food for all of them. Rare cat capsule. Ooh. We have a chance to get, let's try. Ooh. Rare. The gardener cat. Sent to cat storage. Gardener cat. Use. Wow. So now we've gotten a new cat. From our rare cats. So now we've got gardener cat. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, I just need to upgrade you one more time. And then he evolves. Gardener cat, 5 cat food. How much does he cost? Oh, only 360. That's good. So now I can get some gardener cats. What are they good against? Let's see. I didn't really look. Lovely bonsai shears by mail order. Now there are no more branches left in reach by the cat base. Might freeze zombies. Oh, so he's just a regular guy. I could upgrade Axe Cat, but I don't want to. We could get another rare capsule. Oh yeah. It changes. Cat capsule? Oh, I can't buy any tickets. Well, guys, that was what is it? Battle Cats. Yeah, Battle Cats. It's pretty cool. I like it. I'll record another video, maybe. Okay, bye.